They say the old makerspace hums at night, a low, steady sound like a heart. Rumor calls it the Siren Machine, a box of motor, or straps and polished attachments that learns your rhythm. 2 grad students dared it once. They thought it was magic. It wasn't. It was curiosity, care, and a lot of careful listening. The very heart of Foreplay. Foreplay is not a countdown. It is a map. Start by asking, what do you want to try? Say yes and no out loud. Set a safe word. Make a plan. Slow down. Use your eyes, your breath, your voice, like small change. Breath, a smile, a shift in the shoulder. Vary pressures and speed. Try cool, then warm touches. A soft brush, tighter hold, not to do something, but to gather data about pleasure. Think like a scientist, one variable at a time. Observe, then adjust. Turn sound on. Music, changes, tempo, and touch. Light a candle for scent, not for drama. Use texture, silk, feather, wood, skin. Explore the body's maps beyond the obvious. The base of the neck, the inner wrist, behind the ear. Okay, at a second time, up in the skin. Whisper, ask mid-session, how is that? Keep check-ins simple, faster, slower, stay, stop. Now the machine joins the lab. Machines are tools, not replaced. Use well-made body-safe devices. Read the manual. Test every control on your palm first. Start on the lowest setting. Check attachments are clean, firm, and meant for bodies. Never jury-rig motors or sharp fittings. Use water-based lubricant unless the maker says otherwise. Cover shared toys with a fresh condom or clean between parts. Have a clear, easy emergency stop. A big red button, a hand on a partner's shoulder, a word. Hygiene and safety are set. Pick non-porous materials. Follow cleaning guide. Charge batteries safely. Avoid heat sources if you build or modify gear. Talk to lab safety and don't use high-torque motors near flesh. If anything feels sharp, grinding, or wrong, stop immediately. Pain that is not wanted is not play. Consent can be withdrawn at any time. Try this quick lab session. 10 minutes of talk and consent. 10 minutes of slow mapping with hands and breath. 5 minutes introducing a device at the lowest setting. 4 check-ins and a 10-minute debrief. Take notes, compare notes, left. Adjust the next trial. Back in the legend, the Siren Machine learned the students' rhythm and sang back. The truth is simpler and better. They reflected their attention. Foreplay and machines both reward curiosity, consent, and care. So be bold, be careful, be playful, and remember, the real magic is listening.